Happy Halloween. Morning, folks. We are here at VZ Corner. I've been chilling in my Scout here in this spot, charging up, trying to warm up. Definitely had the fireplace on this morning and my little space heater there. Been hacking away at some Rogue River footy, drinking some water, and yeah, cleaning up and chilling. We got some new shoes, man. Check out these TR1 meshes. Bam! So yeah, just gonna go down to where there's internet, hack away at some more Rogue stuff, and go kayaking, because I got my shuttle figured out. So let's do it. Bam, look at that TR1 mesh right there. I wore that shoe all day, even on the river. What's up, Bentley? Look at that handsome man. Alright, man, I'll see you. I'm trying to find new ways to make videos. So if you've got any suggestions, drop a comment below, and I will really appreciate your feedback. You can give me whatever feedback you want. You know, there's a dislike button again. So if you dislike it, hit the dislike button, and I'll be more motivated to make good videos. What if all my videos got only dislikes and not likes? Well, I made a little bit of progress, but it's time to go kayaking now. Alright, let's do it. It is a really pretty day today. We are taking my all-time favorite boat to paddle, the Steeze, today. As always, well, I guess not always this late in the fall, but wearing the IR 7-figure dry top and shorts still. Hey, Connor.
Yeah.
If you guys don't already, follow my Strava. I'll put a link to it in the description, and I always take my phone with me and record the section and the level of the section that I did every day. So yeah, give me a follow. This rapid corkscrew, it's tricky. It changed this year. I found that it's a little better if you stay further right than you used to. So the first eddy line that I played in the video and this eddy line that I'm playing in right here were the two eddy lines that I learned how to stern squirt in, FYI. They're pretty good. If you're ever out on the middle, try them out. ferns growing on the right. They're called maidenhair ferns, and they grow towards the light reflected off the water. How beautiful. I feel very fortunate to be able to paddle days like this on the White Salmon, this river that runs year-round and never stops flowing. Can't ask for a better day this time of year, even though the river's not high or anything. It is super appreciated that this river flows year-round, no matter what. Even the low water, it's just super fun. Today in particular, the weather was amazing. The river is very blue, and the eddy lines were very crisp. What a great day. Bam, look at those TR1 meshes. I'm still wearing my TR1 meshes, man. They are so good. They are light. I can feel the wind breathing through my shoe as I walk. It's nice. They air out pretty quickly. They seem pretty comfy. So I'm going to keep wearing them to work and paddle as long as they're dry, you know. I like them. After the paddle, went for some cold plunge action. Did a minute and a half, I think. Not too much, but the White Salmon's pretty cold. Spending a lot of time editing these videos. If you're watching these videos, thank you so much for tuning in and checking it out. Comment what you think and what you want to see. Don't forget to subscribe. And thank you so much for watching, everybody. Enjoy. Keep kayaking hard.